Welcome to Jenny's Kitchen. Today we are going to make goat meat pepper soup. These are the ingredients. Let's get this goat meat cleaned and ready for the pot. Now we will add the chopped onions, followed by garlic, ginger, and seasoning. Lastly, a bit of water and salt. Let it boil until it is tender. Today we make traditional pepper soup. First, we crush our ehuru and uziza seeds, ground them into a very fine powder. Just look at this rich texture. Now we add the spice to our simmering goat meat. Let those flavors infuse. Add some dried Scotch bonnet peppers for heat. Give it a good stir. Now we add some fresh scent leaves. Make sure to slice them up thinly. This gives it a beautiful, fresh aroma. Enjoy your pepper soup. And that is it for today. See you next time.